Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to ccCraftCorner, and we try to communicate with you. I hope you understand. This video I made paper lucky style origami. Let's go. Now I have a long paper. Cut paper about 1 cm wide and as long as whatever place you are cutting. Cross the end of the stitch and pull one into the loop that forms. Tie the knot at the other end. Don't twist the paper. Gently tie the knot, then pull the knot. When all the edges are in contact, press it down. You should have a pentagon. Wrap the long end around and around the pentagon. Tuck in the loose end. If there is a little too much, tear it off before tucking it in. Push in the edges to puff the star up. It's easy. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget subscribe for encouraging to me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.